Hello students. So welcome to this new video on class 8 IMO, and today we are going to solve the exam paper 2018 set A questions 1 to 25. So let's begin, and in any other videos you learn the quickest method. I'll have some very nice tips for you so that you can finish the paper, the entire paper in 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. You need to solve 50 questions in 1 hour. You will also learn the maths concepts and fundamentals with some interesting facts and images. And this will also definitely help you in your class 8 maths school exams. So you may want to like and subscribe because I'll be publishing the videos every few days. Okay, the first question: in a certain code language, if confidence is coded as F, G, P, E, G, E, Q, P, H, K, then how will perfection be coded in the same language? So again, in such questions, you have to find the pattern. So in this question particularly, you have to break confidence as the last five letters, which is D, E, N, C, E, and the first five letters, C, O, N, F, I. So what is D plus 2? D plus 2 is A, B, C, D, E, F. D plus 2 is F. E plus 2 is G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Similarly, you will get the pattern if you add 2 to D, E, N, C, E. Each of the letters of D, E, N, C, if you add 2, you will get F, G, P, E, G. You get F, G, P, E, G. Similarly, if you add 2 to C, O, N, F, I, C plus 2 is E, O plus 2 is Q, you will get EQPHK. Okay, so you will get this complete letter. So then you have to break perfection as the last five letters first, CTION, which come first, PERFE, they come next, and then you have to add a 2 to each of these letters. So when you add 2 to C, you get E. When you add 2 to T, you get V. That's it. Don't need to solve anything more because EV, if you even if you solve E, that's it, you got E as the first letter. So option B is the correct option. Okay, next one: select the correct water image of the given figure. Water image is reflection, isn't it? Water image is inverted, it is reflection. So when you invert this, what's going to happen is this thing is going to come down and this thing is going to go up, isn't it? So only image where this is correct is this one, where this is coming down, the arrow which was pointing upwards, which will point downwards. So arrow is pointing downwards. And this hemisphere has got, or semicircle has got at the top, this was pointing downwards. Now it will point upwards. Now this is pointing upwards. So option A is the correct option. Okay, next one. Starting from point P, Aryan walks 40 meters towards north. So start drawing. 40 meters towards north. He turned right and walked 60 meters. Turned right and walked 60. He turned right again and walked 40. Turn right and again walk 40. At the last point, turn right and walk 40 again. Turn right and walk 40 again. So 40 in the up direction, 40 in the south direction, and 40 here in the left, and 60 at the right. So remainder will be 20. This remainder will be 20 because 60 in this direction, 40 in this direction. So 20 overall distance between P, the start point P and the end point Q. And what direction? What direction is? It is towards east. So 20 meters towards east is he. How far, in which direction is he now from the starting point? So he is here, and from the starting point he is 20 meters towards east. Okay, next one. If it is possible to make only one meaningful word with second, fourth, sixth, and 11th letters of the word intelligent, okay, then the third letter of the word form would be your answer. If more than one such words can be formed, then give Z as the answer. If no such word can be formed, then give Y as the answer. Intelligent, second, fourth, sixth, and 11th. Okay, second is N, fourth is E, sixth is L, and 11th is T. What are the letters N, E, L, T? And what words can be formed? Lent. Okay, lent is the past tense of lend. Lend is the present tense, and the past tense is lent, isn't it? No other words can be formed. from this no other words can be formed, only lent can be formed. So only one word, then the third letter of the word form. What is the third letter? N. N is the answer. So answer is N, which is option A. Okay, question number 5. Select a figure from the options in which the given figure is exactly embedded as one of its parts. Okay, start fitting, and when you start fitting, you'll see that option A, the figure exactly fits. Next one, select the odd one out. Okay, odd one out is find the pattern. Okay, first we have to find the pattern. So Z is the 26th letter of the alphabet. 26 minus 1 is 25. Okay, Z 25. X is the 24th letter of the alphabet. 24 minus 1 is 23. X 23. P is the 16th letter. 16 minus 1 is 15. P 15. N is the 14th letter. 14 minus 1 is 13. N 13. H is the 8th letter. 8 minus 1 is 7. H 7 is 2. F is the 6th letter. 6 minus 1 is 5. Isn't it? It is not 4. So option C is the odd one out. Okay, which of the following Venn diagrams best represents the relationship amongst shirts, trousers, and skirts? Shirts, trousers, and skirts all are different. Is it? All are clothes, but all are different. So 3 different circles. Okay, find the missing number if the same rule is followed in all the 3 figures. What is the rule? Okay, 12 6 are 72. 12 6 are 72. And 12 12s are 144, isn't it? 12 6 are 72 and 12 12s are 144. So, similarly, 16 4s are 64. Or if you divide 64 by 4, it is 16. And 16 16 the 256. So similarly, what is the square root of 441? Square root of 441 is 21. And if you divide 105 by 21, what will you get? 5. Isn't it? You will get 5 here. Okay. Next one, a family consists of 5 members B, C, E, F, and G. C is the son of G, but G is not the mother of C. Okay, so C is the son of G, but G is not the mother. Then who is G? G is the father. E and G are married couple. E and G are married couple. So this is father, and then E is the mother. B is the brother of G. B is the brother of G, isn't it? F is the daughter of E. F is the daughter of E. So father, mother, son, and daughter. This is the whole family. And B is the brother of G. Who is the brother-in-law of E? Who is the brother-in-law of E? Brother-in-law of E is B, isn't it? It is B. It is an easy one, but you'll understand only when you start drawing. Okay, next one. 10 if minus denotes plus, multiplication denotes division, plus denotes multiplication, equal to denotes less than, and division denotes minus, then which of the following options is correct? So start calculating, but from the bottom, isn't it? You start calculating, but from the bottom. And remember BODMAS. So 4 minus 20 into 5 plus 4 divided by 4 is less than 20. This will become uh, 4 into 4 plus 20. So minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, plus becomes multiplication, isn't it? Plus becomes multiplication, and division becomes minus, and equal to becomes less than, isn't it? Equal to becomes less than. So now let's see whether this is true or not. So 4 plus BODMAS, division first, 20 divided by 5 is 4 into 4 minus 4, and then multiplication. So 4 into 4 is 16. So 4 plus 16 minus 4. 4 and minus 4 get cancelled. 16 is less than 20. Is it true? Yes, it is true. So option D is the correct option. So in such questions, you first always start from the bottom, isn't it? Okay, next one. How many squares are there in the given figure? So how many squares? Start counting. So if you see the red squares like this, there are 9 red squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you see the smaller squares like this, there will be 9 small blue squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 4 green squares. So this big is a green square. So 1, then 2, then 3, and then this 4. One outer square, so one big outer square, and one yellow square, so total square is 9 plus 9, 18 plus 4 is 22 plus 1, 23 plus 1, 24. Okay, next one. Choose a box that is similar to the box formed when the given sheet of paper is folded to form a box. Okay, so visualize, and triangle face will be opposite to two small faces, isn't it? The triangle face, it will be opposite to two small faces. When you fold the box, these two small faces, if they are at the top, the triangle face will be at the bottom, isn't it? So it will be opposite to the two small faces. So option 2 definitely is not the correct option. Here the triangle is adjacent. This is not the correct option. Pentagon and the square, they are opposite faces. So option 3 is not the option, because pentagon and square are adjacent. Here the pentagon and square should be on the opposite side. And the most important point is, if you fold the paper so that the blank face is, if you orient the cube so that the blank face is towards you, and when you fold these two faces, you will notice that the this side is not the correct option. So this side is not the correct option. So it will be the shaded side of the circle which will be at the top, and the unshaded circle will be at the this side. When you fold the paper, the shaded portion will be here, and the unshaded portion will be here towards the bottom. So even option 1 is not the correct option. So if you see that, if your blank is facing you, then this side, if the blank is facing you, then this side will be on the top, the shaded side, and the unshaded side will be at the bottom. So even 1 is not the correct option. The only option which is correct is option number 4, okay, which is the correct option. Okay, next one. If two rows of numbers are given, the resultant number in each row is to be worked out separately based on the following rules, and question below the rows of numbers is to be answered. The operations on the numbers progress from left to right. Okay, so let's start solving. 150 and 81 is the first pair. Okay, so what is the first pair? It is a 3-digit number followed by 2-digit number, which is a square. 81 is a square of 9. Rule 4. The second number is to be subtracted from the first number. 150 minus 81 is 69. So now the second pair is 69 and 43. 69 and 43. This is, what is this pattern? 40 odd number followed by odd number. Rule 3. Rule 3, odd number is followed by odd. The two pairs are to be added. Two numbers are to be added. So 69 plus 43 is 112. So is M is 112, isn't it? If M is the result of the first row, M is 112. Then what is the third pair? 336 and M, which is 112. So 336 and 112, isn't it? 336 and 112. What is this pattern? 3-digit number followed by 3-digit number. And rule 5, then the first number is to be divided by the second one. 336 divided by 112 is 3. So what is the fourth pair now? 3 and 39. 3 and 39. What is the rule? Odd followed by odd. Rule number 3. Then they are to be added. 3 plus 39 is 42. So correct option is 42. Okay. 14. The question consists of set of 3 figures P, Q, and R showing a sequence of folding a piece of paper. If figure R shows the manner in which the folded paper has been cut, select the figure from the options which would most closely resemble the unfolded form. So again, it is an easy one, and you have to visualize. So when you unfold like this, you will see the same pattern. Okay, triangle, rectangle, and circle. A triangle, rectangle, and circle. And when you unfold paper like this, okay, again this thing will be mirrored here. This thing, whole of this thing, it's going to be mirrored here. So you'll see that option D is the correct option. Okay, select question number 15. Select a figure from the options which will replace the question mark to complete the pattern in the given figure. Okay, you will see that option B is the correct option, because this will be the this diamond shape will be here. Diamond shape will be here. To complete this, you require this, and to complete this pattern, you require this pattern. So option B is the right option. Okay, next one. Which of the following is equal to 25? And here again, in the normal usual cases, you start solving in the reverse order. So first solve D, 0.22 square upon 22 square into 0.022. What is 0.22 square? 0.22 into 0.22. What is 22 square? 22 into 22 into 0.02. So again, 0.22, you represent 0.22 as 22 upon 100. So 22 upon 100, 22 upon 100 into what is 0.02? It is 2 upon 100. So 2 upon 100 and 22 into 22. They are here. So when you cancel, start cancelling. 22, 22, 22, 22 starts cancelling. 100 cancels 100. So now what remains is 1 upon 100 into 2, which is 1 upon 200, which is not 25. So D is not the option. Start solving C, 2 into 2 square upon 22 square into 0.02 square. What is 2.2 square? 2.2 into 2.2. 22 square is 22 into 22 and 0.02 square is 0.02 into 0.02. Okay, start replacing. 2.2 is 22 upon 10. So 22 upon 20, 22 upon 10 and 22 into 22 and 0.02 is 2 upon 100. So 2 upon 100, 2 upon 100. So when it start cancelling. So when you start cancelling, 10 tens are 100, 100 cancels. 22 cancels 22, 22 cancels 22. What remains is 100 upon 2 into 2, which is 400 upon 4 is 25. Hooray! So option C is the correct option. Okay, if 1 upon 16 raised to 4 minus 3x into 8 raised to x minus 2 is 0.25 raised to x, then find the value of 17x upon 22 plus 1. Very good question. And here in such cases, you have to normalize. 1 upon 16 is, what is 1 upon 16? 2 raised to 4. So 1 upon 2 raised to 4. And what is 1 upon 2 raised to 4? It is 2 raised to minus 4, isn't it? 2 raised to minus 4. So then it becomes 2 raised to minus 4 raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 4 minus 3x into what is 8? 8 is 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 into x minus 2 into raised to x minus 2 is equal to 0.25 raised to x. So again, minus 4 into 4 is minus 16 and minus 4 into minus 3x is 12x plus 12x. So 2 raised to minus 16 plus 12x into 3x minus 6. 3 into x minus 3 into 2 is 6. 2 raised to 3, x minus 6 is 0.25 raised to x. So it becomes 2 raised to minus 16 plus 12x plus 3x minus 6 is 0.25 raised to x. Minus 16 minus 6 is minus 22 and 12x plus 3x is 15x. So 2 raised to 15x minus 22 is 0.5 raised to x, 0.25 raised to x. Now this is the main part. What is 0.25? 0.25 is 1 upon 4. Isn't it? 1 upon 4 is 0.25. So 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 2 raised to 2 because 4 is 2 raised to 2 is 4. And 1 upon 2 raised to 2 is 2 raised to minus 2. 2 raised to minus 2. So this will be 2 raised to 15 minus 22 is equal to 2 raised to minus 2 raised to x. 2 raised to minus 2 raised to x. So 15x minus 22 is minus 0.2x. Sorry, minus 2x, isn't it? 15x minus 22 is minus 2x because the bases are the same. So exponents are equal. 15x minus 22 is minus 2x. 15x minus 22 is minus 2x. So minus 2x comes here. So 15x plus 2x minus 22 goes there. It will be plus 22. 17x is equal to 22. So x is equal to 22 upon 7. 22 upon 17. 22 upon 17. So x is 22 upon 17. So here 17x upon 22 plus 1 is, what is x? 17 into 22 upon 17 into 22. Isn't it? When you put the value as 22 upon 17, it will look like this. So again, 17 cancels 17 and 22 cancels 22. So this will be 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So the correct option is 2. Okay, next one. Given the number 67y19 is divisible by 9, where y is a single digit number, what is the least possible value of y? So start solving. If a number is divisible by 9, then the sum of its digits is also divisible by 9. Okay, 6 plus 7 plus y plus 1 plus 9. What is this sum? 6 plus 7, 13 plus 1, 14 plus 9 is 23. 23 plus y. 23 plus y should be divisible by 9. So what is the closest number of 9? So 9 3 is a 27. So 23 plus y should be 27. So what is the value of y? Y should be 4, isn't it? Y is 4 because 23 plus 9 is 27, which is divisible by 9. So y is equal to 4. Okay, which of the following rational numbers does not lie between 1 and 4 and 2 and 3? Okay, we again apply the rule that start solving from the reverse order. Start finding from the reverse order. So what is 1 upon 4? First 1 upon 4 is 0.25. What is 2 upon 3? 2 upon 3 is roughly 0.66. So again, let's take 18 upon 24. What is 18 upon 24? 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24. 3 upon 4, which is 0.75. 0.75 is not, does not lie between 0.25 and 0.66, isn't it? 0.75 is greater than 0.66. So 18 upon 24 does not lie between 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. Again, so again, the quickest method is in multiple choices like this, start solving in the reverse order. Okay, next one, which of the following graphs cannot be a time temperature graph? Okay, which cannot be? So option B cannot be a time temperature graph, because in a flash of a second, the temperature cannot rise. The temperature here, this is the y-axis is temperature, time is the x-axis. You just cannot say that in a flash of a second the temperature is rising, isn't it? It cannot happen. Temperature needs time to rise. Temperature needs time to rise, but just in a flash of a second with a constant time, temperature cannot rise. Here the temperature is okay. Temperature can rise with time. Temperature can be constant with time. Temperature can rise with time. Temperature can decrease with time. Temperature can be constant with time. Temperature can decrease with time. Temperature can decrease with time, temperature can be constant with time, temperature can rise with time. But option B is not the right option, because suddenly in a flash of a second or suddenly with a constant time, temperature just cannot rise. Okay, and here again, you know, things they take time to heat up, things they take time to cool down, isn't it? Temperature rise and fall, it requires time. Temperature just cannot rise in with time being constant. Okay, next one. How many cubes of volume 216 cubic centimeter can be obtained from a cube whose side is 36 centimeter? Start solving. So what is the volume of the bigger cube? 36 into 36 into 36, isn't it? Side is 36. And number of cubes having 216 centimeter cubes. How many cubes can be formed? So volume of the bigger cube divided by 216. Volume of the bigger cube is 36 into 36 into 36 divided by number of cubes that can be formed, volume 216, isn't it? Having this volume. So divide this by 6. So 6 6 are 36 and 6 36 are 216, isn't it? So it will be 6 into 36 into 36 upon 36. 36 will get cancelled. 36 into 36. What is 6 into 36? It's 216. So 216 cubes can be formed, each having volume of 216 cubic centimeter from a cube whose side is 36 centimeter. Okay. Next one, question 22. The numerator and the denominator of a rational number are in the ratio 5:7. When 6 is added to both the numerator and denominator, the ratio becomes 4:5. What is the rational number? Again, questions like this don't solve, okay? Because they are already given numerator and denominator of a rational number are in the ratio 5:7. So 5:7 is 5 upon 7. So the rational number is 5 upon 7. You don't need to solve anything else. Okay. Okay, if x square plus 1 upon x square is 17 upon 4, then find the value of this equation. So x square upon 1 upon x square, okay, is 17 upon 4. So what is, if you normalize this, x square into x square is x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x square. X raised to 4 upon x square is 17 upon 4. That means x square is 4 and x raised to 4 plus 1 is 17, isn't it? So x square, when x square is 4, what is x? It is 2, because 2 square is 4. And then x raised to 4 plus 1. X raised to 4 plus 1 is 2 raised to 4 plus 1. What is 2 raised to 4? 2 raised to 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17. Okay. So x is equal to 2. Okay. X is equal to 2. So when you put the value of x is equal to 2 in this equation, 2 raised to 5, 2 upon 5 into x plus 1 upon x plus x minus 1 upon x. So 2 upon 5 into x is 2. 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 2 minus 1 upon 2. What is 2 plus 1 upon 2? 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. 5 upon 2. Plus 2 to the 4 minus 1 upon 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 upon 2. So 2 will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled, 5 will get cancelled, 5 will get cancelled. This is 1. 1 plus 3 upon 2. What is 1 plus 3 upon 2? 2 1 are 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 upon 2. Correct option is 5 upon 2. Okay, next one. Simple interest on a sum of money for 1 year at 12%. Per annum is 1200. What will be the compound interest when compounded half yearly on that sum at the same rate for the same period? Okay, simple interest. What is simple interest formula? Principal into rate of interest into n number of years. What is simple interest achieved is 1200. So principal is what we need to find. P into what is the rate of interest? 12%, which is 0.12 into number of years is 1 year is 1200. So what is P? P is 1200 upon 0.12. 1200 upon 0.12 is 10,000. 10,000, isn't it? So compound interest compounded half yearly on 10,000 at 12% for 1 year. If it is 12% for 1 year, it is 6% for 6 months, isn't it? Half yearly is 6% for 6 months because it is half of 12%, 6% for 6 months. So then let's find the compound interest. 10,000 into 6% is 1.06, and it will be twice because it is 6 months, isn't it? 12 or 1.06 6 months, and again 1.06 for the next 6 months. So 10,000 into 1.06 square, 1.06 square is 1.1236. So 1.1236 into 10,000 is 11236. So what is the compound interest? 11236 minus 10,000 minus principal. So compound interest is 1236. 1236 is the correct option. Last question, hooray! For what value of P the given equation is correct? Okay, for what value of P is the given equation correct? So start solving. So start solving not from the bottom, but start solving. Okay, so what value of P? Okay, so start solving. So 1 minus P, and here the option, the correct answer is 1. So okay, start solving from the bottom. So let's say the value of P is 1. Let's see the value of P is 1. So 1 minus P upon 6 plus 2P upon 3 minus 1 minus 7P upon 4 is 2 integer 1 upon 6. So let's take P, the value of P as 1. So 1 minus 1 upon 6 plus 2 into P. So 2 into 1 upon 3 minus 1 minus 7 into P. P is 1, 7 upon 4. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3 minus 1 minus 7 into 1 is 7. 1 minus 7 upon 4 is equal to 0 upon 6 is 0 plus 2 upon 3. And 1 minus 7 is minus 6 upon 4. So it will be 2 upon 3 plus 6 upon 4 because minus minus is plus. 2 upon 3 plus 6 upon 4. So 2 upon 3 plus, what is 6 upon 4? 6 upon 4 is 3 upon 2. 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 2 is 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So 4 plus 9 upon 6. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 upon 6 is 2 integer 1 upon 6 because 6 to the 12 plus 1 is 13. So it will be 13 upon 6. So with this, we have come to the end of this video where we solved the exam paper 2018, the set A for the first set of 25 questions. And you may want to like and subscribe because I will be publishing the next set of video in the next few days. So thanks for watching this, students. Thank you. Bye bye.